Hey, Quad Cities, and a good Tuesday morning to you. For once, we actually have two really decent days worth of weather to talk about. Let's get right to it. Both today and tomorrow, downright beautiful. Now, if you're not a fan of the wind, Wednesday's your day. Single digit wind speeds, still up to 40 degrees. Thursday, though, you see the red box is back. Warmer temperatures, but a strong storm system. Here's the impacts we're expecting with that. This will bring a round of rain and some gusty winds for the morning commute. You can see here 7 a.m. Winds already gusting up to 35, 40 miles an hour. The strongest winds, though, those will be reserved for the afternoon and the evening. Take a look at that. 40 plus numbers coming in, especially later Thursday night. You know what that means. It's time to make sure you have secured those holiday inflatables and any other decorations you want to save. Get out and enjoy the weather the next 2 days before all that wind and rain arrives on Thursday. Have a great day.